Hey there guys, welcome to BiharGeeks. In this video, we will solve the anagram problem in Java where we check if two strings are anagram of each other as requested by one of my subscriber. So here you can see that we have a two inputs, that is S and T. Okay, and it will return a type of boolean. Okay, so we will have to check that the both strings are anagram to each other or not. If it is anagram, so it will return us a true, else it will give us a result of false. Okay, so anagram basically is that both string um, have a same characters and both have a same frequency. Like if it's have a length of 5, so it should be also of length 5 only. Okay, and and the order basically sometimes it will be different, but in this example you can see that both have a frequency of a is 3 on both side, same with the n and everything. The difference is only the order is different here. Okay, you can see the same in the example 2 also, RAT, and there is a car. But you can see that T is not present in the second string. That's why it's returning a false, because both are not anagram to each other. So let's dive in the code now. So as we discussed that, first we have to check the length. Instead of doing all the logic, first there will be edge case. Like first we check the length of both string. If both string length is different, so it's definitely not an anagram. Okay. So first we will start with the length. Okay. So let's start. If if length of s is not equal to t dot length length. So in that case, we just simply directly return a false. Okay, and now we will move to next step. In next step, we need a one array where we will count the frequency of each character. Okay, so int we will name it as count equal to new int, and we have a 26 characters. So 26. Okay, now we have to iterate. Okay, iterate over the first string, that is s. Okay, so we will check and we will put a count of each string, each character. Okay, which is present in s. So we will start with for loop for in I equal to 0 and I is less than 1 I plus plus. Okay, now what we have to do, count s dot char caret what I. So whatever we will get it, we just increment that. Okay, and we have to also subtract it by a. Fine. Now same thing we have to do it for the second string, that is t. So I just simply copy it and paste it. And we have to do one more thing. Forgot to add here. It's a string only. So it fine. We have to change the name for T, and C we have to leave it T also. And what we are going to do here is, here we are doing the incremental. Like if we get A, so in that place the value inside this particular array got incremented by 1. So for A it will be 1. But same thing if we have found for the T, what we are going to do, we will decrement that. Okay, minus minus. Okay, and what we are going to do, we will put a condition also with here. Okay, if count T dot char at I minus a goes to negative. So in that case, we are going to return directly false. False. It means that they are not anagram. Okay. So it's done. And when this loop is ended here, and if all the condition is getting satisfied, so in that case it will be anagram. So we will just simply return true from here. Okay, fine. It means that both the string have no issues and both are the anagram. But if there is such case, so in that case we are just simply directly returning a false. And if the length are not even same, so we are also returning false, that both strings are not anagram to each other. Okay, so first we have checked the length, that is fine. Second, we have created this particular array here to check the count of each character. Second, thirdly, what we are going to do, we are traversing for the string s, and we are doing the incremental approach for each character if we found it. And step 4, what we are doing, we are just iterating over the t, and if the count become negative, we are just simply returning false, because maybe t have a more occurrence of that character, so it simply shows that it's not a valid anagram, so we're returning the false. If there is nothing happen in that case, we just good to go, we have a result that both the strings are anagram to each other. Okay, let me run this code. Okay, it's accepted. Now let me submit this. Yeah, it's got submitted. So if you found helpful, do watch my previous video where I've solved the how to find the duplicates in array. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next time. Bye bye.